What's good, everybody? Hey, welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling. And today we're using the crock pot with me, AB. Now you guys read the title, you know what I'm making. I'm making braised beans with smoked ham hocks. Hey, you can't get that wrong. You want to talk about a meal that's filling? Listen, these beans over some rice, served with a bread. I'm not sure what bread you guys would probably use. I'm thinking you guys are probably gonna use some kind of cornbread. But for me, I'm gonna have this with some, I think I'm gonna use some Texas toast, and I'm gonna hit it with that garlic butter, and get it all like a little bit of that Italian flavor along with these beans. And I promise you, this right here is a meal that'll fill you up. Now, so it's fall time, so the Crockpot recipes are gonna be coming, you guys. Hey, so stay tuned, look at my playlist of Crockpot recipes. And with that being said, I'm not finna over talk it, we finna get into this great, delicious recipe. Okay, look, we're finna go right over the ingredients. Here we go. We got 2 pounds. This might be just a little bit over 2 pounds, because actually I bought these smoked ham hocks. I bought these, this was a 3-pound pack, and I just want to show you, hey, look at this. These nice chunks, there's no bone, and the husk is very, very small. So when it finishes cooking inside of the crock pot, that'll be easy, to discard. But just check this out, look at that fat. That's what we want to put in these beans. Next, we got a 1/3 cup. Look, this is firmly packed too, of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of this right here is that Dijon Mustard. You know what? You guys remember that old Grey Poupon? That's it right there. Then we got a 10.5 ounce can of this Hunt's puree. This right here, listen, I don't know if you guys ever made, these beans before like this, but trust the process, trust these right here, because when they combine along with this fat from this ham, and then listen, this right here, this is a 1/2 cup. Look, I'm gonna say it like this. Normally everybody puts a 1/2 cup of water, but I wanna let you guys know that don't forget, anytime we using, water, we always wanna level up, we just change that to chicken stock. So that's a 1/2 cup of that. Then we got that fresh ground pepper right here. And here's the star, check it out. These are the pinto beans. Now listen, you can do it any old kind of way. I'm telling you, these beans right here, I've been using Bush for a minute. I like these beans. You don't have to always use like the dry, starting from scratch. Hey, just trust me on this one. If you're looking for something small, something easy to make to start your day, that's it. Then we're gonna put it on low, and then we're gonna cook it for 8 hours, and then we're gonna discard this husk, and after that, boom, we good. All right, look, this is something we're gonna do that's a little bit new. I just kind of like discovered this, and this explains a lot to me. So what I'm doing is, I'm just gonna put this on, I'm gonna go ahead and set this on low, and I'm just gonna put it any old time in here right now. I'll just call it just 4.5 hours, and I'm gonna start. What I'm doing right now is I just wanna preheat everything. Okay, look, so all the prep we really gotta do is you wanna open your 3 cans, and then what you wanna do is you wanna drain them, then we're gonna rinse them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one, get it open, then I'm gonna go ahead and take it and put it in my colander, pour them in there, and then after they finish draining, I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse them with a little water, then I'm gonna bring them right back, and then we're gonna move forward. Okay, look, I already got them drained and rinsed. I just put them back in the can. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna start by putting our ham hocks. We're gonna just go ahead and start lining these in the bottom. Actually, look, this is a dump. Now after you dump them all, all your smoked ham hocks in, then it's time to just go ahead and add your beans. Now, listen, there's no certain order. You just want to make it the easiest possible. Man, if I had 8 hands, I'd have picked all the ingredients up and just dumped them all inside the crock pot. But, just for video purposes, I'm just taking my time showing you guys. Now I'm adding the third cup of that brown sugar. And you see it held that the form of that measuring cup. The only reason they did that is because, I told you guys in the beginning, we got to like firmly pack it just to get a true 1/3 cup. Now, just break it up, just spread it out throughout. And then you want to be delicate because, those beans, they soft. You don't want to like tear them up. Then you want to come on top of that with your tomato puree. Just add that to it. And then here's that Dijon mustard. Really self-explanatory. It all has to go in, no particular order, just get it in there. And that right there is what I call like that's your level up right there, just using that chicken stock. No more water, you guys. And now just go ahead and grind yourself some fresh pepper. And then you want to be careful. Hey, going back to that pepper, it's up to you. To me, you can't put too much. So just do it, put it on there until you feel like it's enough. And then at the end, as you can see, I'm doing it again. And don't forget, you want to be, take your time stirring it up. Now, add the top, then it's time to set our timer. Don't forget, we have preheated it. So what I did was, look, I just turned it off. I'm going to come back on with the power. I'm going to go ahead and set it on low. Then we're going to set it for 8 hours. And then we're going to hit the start. And then we're going to come back. you guys will be able to see it in just 1 second. Now, once it's done, this is what it should look like. Look at that. That's a whole lot of goodness right there. That's what it looks like when you do it low and slow for 8 hours. Now, you want to just go ahead and stir it up, you know, break that topping, you know, and look, I'm using the wooden spoon to go ahead and break up some of those ham hocks. Hey, I got to tell you this, you know, be careful. You know, you don't want to smash it, and then it's time to plate it. And there you have it. Plate this over some rice. Hey, you can't go wrong. And then for those of you that want to put something extra in there, you can add some green peppers to it also. You know, so here we go. This is braised beans with ham hocks. So tell me what you guys think about this one here. Super easy to make, and this is one of them dump videos. You know, all you got to do is just go ahead and, you know, measure out a few ingredients, then just dump it all together, stir it up, and then, you know, let the crock pot do all the work. Now, don't forget, let me know down in the comment section below, you know, what kind of bread you guys gonna have this with. I'm betting though, everybody probably gonna pick cornbread. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going with that Texas toast, and we finna do it garlic butter style. Hey, with that being said, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to just say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And again, if you guys been watching me for a while, you know what I'm finna say. I'm out of here. Peace.